Hi everyone, this is the second in a series of 3 contesting videos taken during the month of July 2020, just when the UK's COVID restrictions were being relaxed. Hope you enjoy. And in this 6-metre contest I'll be using this DIY mini horse antenna, which is a 3-element folded yagi. Probably cost about £10 in materials from the local DIY store, and I'll put the link to the video above showing how it's made. CQ contest, Golf 0 Charlie November November portable, Golf 0 Charlie November November portable, CQ contest. CQ contest, Golf 0 Charlie November November portable, Golf 0 Charlie November November portable, CQ contest. CQ contest, Golf 0 Charlie November November portable, Golf 0 Charlie November November portable, CQ contest.
Mexico 5 Delta radio.
Yeah, Mexico 5 Delta radio. Thanks for coming back to the call. You're 5 and 7 001 India Oscar 94 Alpha India. Roger.
Yeah, Roger. I think it's Ian.
Yeah, thanks for number 1 anyway. 83 Mike November. I think we've worked before anyway. That's a memorable call sign. But thanks for being number 1, Roger.
Yeah, Roger. I think it was on Tuesday. 73. Good luck.
Yeah, 73s. Bye bye. QRZ contest, Golf 0 Charlie November November portable listening. There was Golf 0 Charlie November November portable, CQ contest. There was lots of stations there. The one ending hotel.
Yeah, Golf 1 Fox Hotel. Good evening.
Roger, Golf 1 Fox Hotel. Thank you. You're 5 and 8 015 number 15 India Oscar 94 Alpha India. Roger. 82 Sierra Quebec. Thank you. 73 QRZ. The other station.
It's Golf 3 Tango Delta Hotel.
Golf 3 Tango Delta Hotel. Thank you. Nice and loud. 5 and 3 022 Two Little Ducks 22 India Oscar 9. Golf 0 Charlie November November portable, Golf 0 Charlie November November portable, CQ contest. QRZ, Golf 0. Roger, Golf 0 uniform portable. You're 5 and 1 025 number 25 Golf 0 Charlie November November portable, CQ contest.
GW8 ASD.
CQ contest, Golf 0 Charlie November November portable. CQ contest, Golf 0 Charlie November November portable.
Golf 8 Delta Mike Uniform portable.
Golf 8 Delta Mike Uniform portable. Okay, Tony, you're 5 and 9 027 number 27 India Oscar 94 Alpha India. Roger.
Yeah, Roger, Ian.
November portable, Golf 0 Charlie November portable.
90 Lima Whiskey portable.
Juliet, thank you. Enjoy the contest. Bye bye.
And 3, good luck.
Golf 8 Golf Yankee X-ray.
There's a couple of stations there. Golf 8 Golf Yankee X-ray. You're 5 and 5.
From India Oscar 91 Victor Hotel.
Okay, so you're 9-1 Victor Hotel, number 32, 5 and 6. Roger.
Roger.
Enjoy the contest. 73 QRZ, the other station.
2 Echo 0 Victor Charlie portable.
2 Echo 0 Victor Charlie portable. You're 5 and 1 044 number 44 in India Oscar 94 Alpha India. Roger.
Yeah, Roger. All received. You're 55020. 55020. Italy Oscar 70 Sierra Papa. IO 70 Sierra Papa. over.
Roger, Daryl, thanks for 70, Roger.
Yeah, Roger, good luck.
73. QRZ contest, Golf 0, Charlie, November, November, portable. Golf 3, I missed that, sorry again. Golf 3, Whiskey Victor Golf, you're 5 and 2, 045, number 45 in India, Oscar 94 Alpha India, Roger.
Yes, thank you very much indeed. You are 5 and 5, 555, 030, 30, Oscar 91 Romeo Hotel, over.
Roger, 91 Romeo Hotel, number 30, 5 and 5, Roger.
That's correct, thank you.
Thank you, 73, QRZ, Golf 0, Charlie, November, November, portable. QRZ, Golf 0, Charlie, November, November, portable.
Mike 0, Hotel.
There was a couple of stations. The Mike 0 station again, please. Golf 4, Charlie, Zulu, Bravo, portable. You're very weak. You're 5 and 1, 050, number 50 in India, Oscar 94 Alpha India, Roger. Was that 542292 Lima Hotel, Roger? Roger, thank you, 73.
Golf Mike 4, Alpha, Foxtrot, Foxtrot. Italy Oscar 86, Tango Sierra, over.
Roger, 512386 Tango Sierra, Roger.
QSL
73,
73.
thank you, bye-bye.
CQ contest, Mike 7, Delta Oscar November, portable.
Golf 0, Charlie, November, November, portable.
Golf 0, Charlie, November, November, portable. Good evening. You're 5 and 9, number 55. Thank you very much. 73.
73s, bye-bye.
QRZ, please, Mike 7.
Mike 1, Delta, Delta, possible, M1, D, possible, CQ.
Golf 0, Charlie, November, November, portable.
G4 GFI, Golf 4 Golf Foxtrot India. G4 GFI, IO 91 Square, CQ contest, over.
Golf 0, Charlie, November, November, portable.
G0 Charlie, November, November stroke portable, G4 GFI, thank you for the call. Echo Italy 59133, Italy Oscar 93, Foxtrot Lima.
In India, Oscar 94 Alpha India, Roger.
Alpha
Alpha India it is, and 6957. I was pointing in your direction with the hope I will get a 94. It was you with a photograph on one of the... on Facebook, I think it was, over.
Yeah, Roger. I'm up in the Dales and the mist's rolling in now. I've tried Scotland with no joy, so I'm spinning back round south now, Roger.
Yeah, it's gone very quiet in the last hour. Mary did very well in the first hour, but I'm struggling here. Good to hear you, and good to see photographs of portable stations. You certainly deserve your points. 7-3, bye-bye.
73, enjoy the contest, bye-bye.
7-3, good luck. CQ contest, mate. Take contact, Mike 0, Norway, Kilo Radio, Julia Oscar 02, contact. Portable, good to hear you.
November, portable, Golf 0, Charlie, November, portable, CQ contest.
QRZ. I'm just tuning you in. Golf 4 again, X-ray again. QRZ, Golf 0, Charlie, November, portable. QRZ contest, Golf 0, Charlie, November, portable, listening. Zulu, November, uniform again, please. Roger, struggling. You're 5 and Golf 3, Zulu, November, uniform, 5 and 1, number 82, 82, India, Oscar 94, Alpha, India, Roger. Roger, you're 5 and 1, number 82, in India, Oscar 94, Alpha, India, Roger. You're 5 and 1, 82, Roger.
Golf 0, Charlie, November, portable. Golf 3, Whiskey, Golf, November.
Golf 3, Whiskey, Golf, November, thank you. You're 5 and 4, 086, number 86, in India, Oscar 94, Alpha, India, Roger.
All again, please, all again.
You're 5 and 4, number 86, India, Oscar 94, Alpha, India, Roger.
I've got Italy, Oscar 94, Alpha, Whiskey. The serial number again, the serial.
It's Alpha, India, America, Italy, Italy, and you're 86, Roger.
Yeah, still need the serial number again, the serial.
86, Roger. 86, Roger.
I've got 86, is that okay?
Roger.
Okay, good stuff, thank you. You're 3 by 5, 3 by 5, that's got a very high noise level. 35, signal and clock. Serial is 54, in Italy Oscar 80 Echo Juliet. Italy Oscar 80 Echo Juliet, okay?
Well, at the end of the evening, I think the mini horse gave a good account of itself. I worked 15 squares and 90 QSOs. I've submitted my log. It takes a couple of weeks for that to be verified, so these are unverified contacts. But here you can see the map of the UK showing the QSOs, and then there follows a table showing the restricted category that I'm in, the 100 watt category, and so far I'm standing 3rd out of 111. So a good night with a mini horse, and another one to follow, another video on 70 SEMs the following week, so watch out for that one.